Hello students, in this video we shall take remaining questions of exercise 2.3 of the functions. So let us take third question. Two questions we have already taken in the previous video. Now we are taking third question. Exercise 2.3 continued. A function is defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Write the values of part 1 f0, part 2 f7, part 3 f minus 3. Solution: we have fx is equal to 2x minus 5. First part, to get f0, put x is equal to 0. In fx is equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore, f0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. Second part, put x is equal to 7. In this, fx is equal to 2x minus 5. So we get f7 is equal to 2 into 7 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Third part, to get f minus 3, you will put x is equal to minus 3 in fx is equal to 2x minus 5. Therefore, f minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. This is third question. Then let us take fourth question. Fourth question. Question 4. The function t which maps temperature in degrees Celsius, temperature in degree Celsius, temperature in degrees Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit, into temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Then find degree Fahrenheit is defined by Tc is equal to 9c over 5 plus 32. Find part 1 T0, second part T28, third part T minus 10, Fourth part, find the value of C. Find the value of C when TC is equal to 212. Solution, we have TC is equal to 9C over 5 plus 32. First part, put C is equal to 0 to find T0. So we get T0 is equal to 0 over 5 plus 32 is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Second part, to get T28, we shall put C is equal to 28. We get T28 is equal to 9 into 28 over 5 plus 32, which is equal to 9 into, we can divide 28 by 5, which is 5.6 plus 32. So we multiply this. It is 50.4 plus 32 is equal to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Then third part, third, put C is minus 10. So T minus 10 is equal to 9 into minus 10 over 5 plus 32. It is minus 18 plus 32, which is equal to 14 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth part, TC is 212. Therefore, 212 is equal to 9C over 5 plus 32. Then we have 9C over 5 is equal to 212 minus 32, which is 180. C is equal to 180 into 5 over 9. This is 100 degrees Celsius. So this was fourth question. Then we take last question, fifth question. Last question of this exercise. Fifth question. Question 5. Find the range of each of the following function. Find a range of each of following function. Following function. First part, fx is equal to 2 minus 3x. X is a real number and x is greater than 0. Second part, fx is equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. Third part, fx is equal to x. X is a real number. Solution. First part, we have x is equal to 2 minus 3x. X is a real number and x is greater than 0. Since x is greater than 0, so 3x is greater than 0, we have multiplied both sides by 3. Then to get minus sign, we multiply by negative sign. Minus 3x is less than 0. Adding 2 on both sides to get this 2 minus 3x. It is 2 minus 3x is less than 2, which implies fx is less than 2. So fx is nothing, it is range. Therefore, a range of function is minus infinity to 2, open interval. Second part, fx is equal to x squared plus 2. X is a real number. We know that every square of every real number is non-negative. Since x square is greater than or equal to 0, adding 2 on both sides, x squared plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2. That means fx is greater than or equal to 2. So range of function is, range of f is closed interval 2 to infinity. Then we take third part. Third part. Fx is equal to x. Fx is x. X is a real number. Now since x is a real number, it is given, then fx is also a real number. Why? Because fx is x. X is real number, then fx is also real number. That means the range of f is set of a real number. That's all. We have completed exercise 2.3. In the next video, we shall take questions of miscellaneous exercise of the chapter on functions. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.